G'day guys, my name's James and I am the owner of the Aussie RS. You've probably seen all my posts on Instagram and on Facebook and blah blah blah, but I post daily, so love all the feedback and all the likes you guys give me. So it's great. It makes me want to go out and take more photos, and I just love it. So most of the time on the weekend, it's what I'm doing is taking all photos in sometimes spots that I'm not meant to take, but it really gives you guys a good idea of how much effort I go to get a good shot. But my video today is regarding one of my sponsors on my page, and a company called Squirt F30, and he does Matthew's the founder and the owner of it, and he does all car cleaning products, car cleaning fragrances, everything like that. So he's located in the UK, which obviously I'm from Australia, so it's across the pond a bit, so it's quite a distance to travel away. But we met just through Instagram. He saw some of my posts and started following me, and I started following him, and we just got chatting. So we've been talking for a few months, but we finally got some. He wanted to come on board and be a sponsor of me and Aussie RS. I've ordered some products off him, which I've got here. So the first one is, it's a quick. I'll show it to the camera. This is a, you probably saw my post last week. It was the car was behind it with the bottle focused in the front, but this is a quick detailer. So, I mean, if you're going to car shows, if you're going to anything, I don't know, you want to make your car look really good, really hot thing, all you have to do is spray this on, and just spray it on, get a microfiber cloth, wipe it off. This stuff puts a massive shine on your car. It really looks like you've spent literally hours just detailing it or waxing it and stuff like that. So the good thing about this is this flavour is what he calls green apple. So every one of his products smells exactly what it does. It's none of those brands that you can just take the lid off and you smell it, and it really smells toxic, and it can almost knock you out because it's so just smells like shit. This one is really good. I tried it on, I'll post a photo hopefully in this section here of what my car looked like with just using this. It wasn't really dirty, but I just sprayed the whole car, went over with a microfiber cloth, and it did the job 100%. So that is absolutely outstanding product. So I mean, I'll in this video I'll put a link to his website and everything like that, and you'll see his prices, which his prices are awesome, so you can't really compete with it. I mean, this is just, you can see by the size of that bottle, so it lasts a while. I mean, I sprayed the whole car and I've just used probably, I don't know what you guys work in, but just over a centimetre, so 1.5 centimetres, so I mean that lasts the whole car, so it's going to last a fair while. The next one is one of his products. I mean, he's got more products on his webpage and stuff like that, but I've just got a few. So this one is a car shampoo. So I mean, I'm sure every one of you guys uses car shampoos to wash your cars. I mean, a lot of people would think that my car now isn't that dirty, but to me it's pretty filthy. So I mean, I don't drive it daily. It's just on the weekends and stuff like that. But this is as I said, a car shampoo. The scent of this is fruit punch. So I mean, obviously you can't smell it through the camera, but that is probably one of the nicest smelling car shampoos I've ever smelled. So it's really good. I'm going to, once I talk about all the products and everything, I'm going to actually wash my car with the product I'm going to talk about next, with also the car shampoo, and then we're just going to review it and stuff like that. But at the moment, as I said, I've used the quick detailer, and I really cannot fault it. It's an outstanding product. I mean, I've used a lot of different companies' products in the past, and I haven't had a real outstanding product that I've really loved. But for someone that's developed this in the UK, I mean, he drives a BMW, which is really nice. So when someone's selling something that they use on their car, and I can see it, that their products are outstanding for them, I mean, it's faultless. So I use it. I mean, I'm not saying that you have to use it as well, but I use it, and you can tell, like, I do look after my car and I trust it 100%. So that is the car shampoo. All good. The direction on the back, his labels on the front. Next one is a snow foam liquid. Scent is fruit salad, which I don't know how he does it or anything like that, but it smells exactly like fruit salad. On his website, so his prices for that are outstanding. I mean, we do pay the shipping and the conversion between the UK. But again, if you follow me from the UK, obviously you don't have to pay the conversion, and you just pay the shipping and handling costs to there. But with the shipping, for me, when I paid the shipping and everything like that, it still worked out cheaper than a normal company, like, I'm not going to name anything, but a little high-end company here in Australia. It still worked out cheaper for me to go this with the shipping than it would for me to cost to buy all sorts of products the same as this, which is obviously they sell in Australia. Alrighty, I am going to get the snow cannon set up, and then we're going to spray it, and we'll leave it for a bit, and then we'll go from there. Right, as you can see, it doesn't take a lot of the actual snow foam to cover the car. I've probably used a bit too much, but next time I won't use that much. Let that sit for a while. It does its little thing, and breaks down all the dirt, grime, and brake dust and everything like that. In Australia too, I mean, today is 34 where I am, so I mean the climate's a bit different to England as well. So if we leave soap on in a hot day like this, it's just gonna get hot, it's just gonna bake on, it's gonna dry on. So my car's not that dirty today. Well, they say about leave it on for, I don't know, 8 to 10 minutes, but I'll probably leave it on for a couple, because it's not that dirty, and I just want to see what it does. But as you can see, it's just leaking off, fading off and everything like that, and it's ready for me to squirt it off, and then we'll wash it. As you can see, most of it's already nearly all the way off. So what I'm going to do now, I've got the high pressure adapter connected back on, give it a spray, and then we'll see how much it makes a difference. It already looks like you've cleaned your car after you've used the snow cannon. It almost puts like a waxy coat on the top, and then you laugh and you drive down the road, all the dust just flies off, and your car can stay clean for 2 to 3 weeks, or if more. It depends how much you drive it as well. But when I clean my car, it normally lasts about 2 to 3, even sometimes a month. It depends on the weather and if it's raining and stuff. But being in Australia, it is bloody hot, and sometimes we don't get rain for a long time. So it's, as I said, it's completely different climate to the UK, which me and Matt are really discussing, and it's a laugh. A lot of people would be happy with that. Would just come out of the car wash, does a quick spray, quick that. But you and me know that that's a pre-wash, and then all of a sudden we go with the shampoo wash. That's what I'm going to do now. As you know, when you wash your car, one of the last steps is to chamois your car. I mean, people wash their cars and don't chamois it, and then wonder why when they drive down the road you get dirt marks and like almost where the water's run. It's when you're driving, the dust in the air and everything settles in that water. Then once the water dries, it just stays on your car. So it's in your best interest, if you want to keep your car cleaner for a longer period of time, chamois it. Get all the water off it, drive off. When you get home, if you're going to the car wash or something like that, give it another chamois, and then just get all the water off, and your car will stay cleaner for a lot longer. There's nothing for the dust to stick to, unless you're driving through bloody muddy puddles or something like that. So yeah, you get the point. With the drying part of it as well, you can always use that quick detailer spray as well when you're drying it, but you can use this with just a microfiber or even one of those drying cloths. You can use that, spray it on, wipe it in, and then you're laughing. Here in Australia, we're lucky with lots of nice weather days, so we can really show off our cars. But I've been speaking to Matt, and it's looking pretty dark and gloomy there at the moment. Obviously, it's winter time, so snow and rain and all that sort of stuff. So even looking at that, it's just giving it a nice gloss finish. It almost looks like it's been clay barred because it's so reflective. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun, but it's just very, very reflective, and that shampoo and that snow foam really brings out the colour of this car. I mean, even if you've got a dark car, it's still going to make it look glossy as hell. With Squirt If30's products, what I'm saying is you can get the same finish as what you pay the $300 mark for your car detailing. So to keep up your car looking like showroom finish, you just clean. If you do it right, your car just stays brand new forever. I've had that for about a year and a half, and I mean, it looks brand new. These products are great. He's got a really good thing going. It'd be great if you head over to his page and give him a follow at Squirt If30. I'll post it in the link and everything below. But yeah, outstanding. And while you're there, check out my page as well, at Aussie_RS_. I'm sure you might be already following me, or if you've got some people that want to check out my stuff, go for it. That's the result of snow foaming first, let it do its thing, and then it's the Squirt If30 shampoo car wash. Share my page, follow my page, like all my stuff, comment your name below, tag your friends, do what you need to do. Also, check out Squirt If30. So the whole reason for this video was to review his products as well, so I'd love you to go over his page, have a look, even try some of his stuff. He's got little samples as well. So if you live in Australia, you live in the UK, you live in the US, wherever you live, give it a go. It's really good stuff. So thanks for watching.